The sourdough croissant might be the most demanding thing we make at Proof. It's also one of the most misunderstood. This one dough represents 40% of our business at Proof. I don't know how many bakeries have made and sold over 1 million sourdough croissants. I know we have. Most people think that the secret is in the lamination, the butter, the folds, the layers. This is really the trickiest stage in lamination where a lot goes wrong. That does matter, but the real secret is the proof. It always was. The key to sourdough croissants is nailing the final proof. That's where most of your work needs to focus. Getting it right is the difference between a poor result and not. In this course, I'll take you through the whole process, start to finish. Ready to put this in at the very end of the mix. The dough is very well developed at this point. We'll laminate it. Croissant dough is never more delicate than in this stage. We'll shape it. This one dough makes many variations of croissant dough at Proof. We have the plain, the almond, we have the pain au chocolat, the morning bun, Danish, salted rosemary twist, and then we'll bake so you can finally see what a properly proofed sourdough croissant is supposed to do in the oven. But I'm not going to stop at the craft because a sourdough croissant is a business of its own. The margins, the labor, the timing, the way that it moves at a market. I'll show you why this one product can carry a bakery and how to think about it like the profit center it actually is. This is the exact process that we use at Proof. The one that took us from a garage to 5 bakeries and represents half of our whole business in just one dough. Now it's yours to learn at your own pace, from the first mix to the last bake. The sourdough croissant course, available now at milliondollarbaker.com. Come make the hardest thing worth making.